Hello everyone and welcome back to my videos from Helium. My name is Amita and you know how much I love crystals, and today I thought that I would like to do my first detailed video on how to use crystals for healing with my most favorite crystal, which is the rose quartz. So we'll start today's session with the introducing all of you to rose quartz and its healing qualities. The rose quartz is a beautiful pink translucent crystal that comes from Brazil, Madagascar, South Africa and India, and it is the stone of love and harmony, self-love and well-being, and it is associated with the heart chakra. If you've never received love, the rose quartz helps you to open up your heart, and if you have lost love, the rose quartz helps you to heal the grief that is within your heart. It's a very beautiful healing stone, and it can be used differently. It can be used by placing the rock over your heart or over the thymus, and it is also a rock or a crystal that helps to heal the heart physically as well as the circulatory system in the body. One of the best combinations that you can use rose quartz with is the combination of rose quartz and amethyst. Amethyst is a beautiful violet crystal which opens up your spiritual capabilities and powers, and the rose quartz is something which brings in harmony and love, and the combination of these two stones is extremely powerful for your awakening of your spiritual powers and spiritual energy. So this combination is my most favorite combination, rose quartz with amethyst. Second combination that I would like to recommend is the smoky quartz along with the rose quartz combination. So the smoky quartz and the combination of rose quartz allows the power of the love being grounded. Smoky quartz has the properties of grounding. So what it does is the combination of rose quartz bringing in love, self-love, healing in the space of love, along with the grounding property of smoky quartz, makes it extremely powerful. So you will have a grounding in your love. So this is again a beautiful combination, and this would be the second recommendation I have for combinations with rose quartz. Third and the best combination that I would recommend would be the rose quartz along with the rhodonite. So combining the rhodonite along with the rose quartz allows for relationships to be in balance. So one is that you're bringing in love into your life, and you're also bringing in balance with rhodonite. So a combination of rose quartz with rhodonite would be the third recommendation for a combination of wearing two different crystals, that is wearing a rose quartz with another crystal that balances it. The best way to experience the beautiful healing power of the rose quartz is to place it on your heart chakra, and you can affirm to yourself that I'm open to infinite love. This is one of the best ways that you can feel the healing power of the rose quartz. The second way that you can use it is by wearing jewelry that is made out of rose quartz. So you can wear it as a pendant, or you can wear it as bracelets like I'm wearing. I have different bracelets that are made out of rose quartz, and also the combinations that I earlier mentioned. You can also make elixirs out of rose quartz. Please do not combine rose quartz with any other mineral or crystal in an elixir. Let it be only made of rose quartz. An elixir is it's like a potion. It's a glass of water in which you can keep your rose quartz soaked overnight and you can drink it in the morning, and you will find its healing properties being ingested and you will start feeling the difference within yourself. These are the three main ways that you can use it in your life to bring in this beautiful quality of love, self-love, or relationship love, and feel its beautiful quality. Basically, hope you enjoyed the messages from Helium today on the use of rose quartz, and I'll be bringing you more on different crystals and different healing modalities in my next few videos. Bye for now. Signing off from Helium. This is Amita here.